creating your business presence. We're going to go over a lot of areas in this segment. We're going to discuss your physical address for your business, the business phone options that are out there for you, professional website development, search engine optimization, SEO, professional business email, and business cards. Let's just jump right in. Let's first talk about your physical address for your business. You really need a physical street address. That's really preferred. You don't want to use your home address. You don't want to use a P.O. box. You want to have a physical street address for your business. There's several ways to go about doing this. But again, you do not want to use your home address. You don't want potential clients rolling up at your house to try to hire a private investigator. As private investigators, we are going to come into contact with all kinds of individuals in our business. You don't want them to be able to find your home address really easy. You can use a post office box, but you don't want just a P.O. box. Most post offices today, you can go there and you can set up a physical address with your P.O. box.